So the last section of aggregated views of proteins contains information about literature. This section is composed out of 3 different sections, where the first one contains all the primary publications which are related to the PDB entries which are composing this page. The second section contains all the papers where those PDB entries have been mentioned or they are linking to them. And finally, the third section contains all the UniProt related publications. You can either search through those sections using the search button, or you can browse through those lists provided using the buttons provided. Each entry, each publication contains, where available, also link to Europe PMC using their identifier, or a link to the original article using digital object identifier. Also, PDB entries which are mentioned in that particular paper are linked as well.